Good morning. It's a beautiful day. It's time to make something new. Number 5, hook. Number 4, worsted weight yarn. Today we're going to make a mini granny square, a baby granny square. First thing you need to do is make a magic ring or a magic circle. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, I have a tutorial on that. Today we're learning how to make a mini granny square. Chain 2. After you make your magic circle, chain 2. I need to get my glasses on because I can't see a dang thing. Then you're going to put 2 more. After you chain 2, you're going to put 2 more double crochet for your first granny square cluster. So you need clusters of 3 double crochet, and then you're going to chain 2, put another cluster of 3 double crochet, and then chain 2. Hello. If yarn can get caught on something, it absolutely will. Okay, so 3 double crochet, cluster, 3 double crochet for your second cluster, and then chain 2, and then make another set of 3 double crochet for a third cluster. Chain 2, and then 1 more double crochet cluster for a total of 4. And you're going to chain 2, then you're going to pull your magic ring string. All right, so you are going to slip stitch into the top of that chain. Then you're going to chain 1. In this first cluster, you're going to single crochet in the same stitch. Then you're going to make another single crochet in the next, on top of the next double crochet. Then on the top of this double crochet, the third one of this cluster, you're going to skip it, and you're just going to go ahead and make your corner of 2 singles, a chain, and 2 singles. So there are 3 double crochet in each cluster, but you're only putting 2 single crochet on top of each cluster. So single crochet in the first 2, skip that third one, and go right into the corner. Oops, I always want to make a double. Chain 1. So every corner you're going to put single, 2 singles, a chain, and then 2 singles. You're going to do that all the way around. So corner, 2 singles, chain 2 singles, the middle cluster, single crochet in the first 2, skip the third for the other 2 sides. Did I even? I don't think I chained. Yes, I did. Today is going to be a good day. I got up and I actually exercised this morning. I know I am going to be so sore tomorrow because I have not done any kind of physical exercise in like all summer because we've been going. Okay. Super fast, super simple, baby, mini, however you want to say it, granny square. Make a zillion of them and make something cool with it. Wouldn't that be awesome just to have a whole huge blanket with just 1,000 of these little things? I mean, after 1,000, you'd probably be like, I never want to make this granny square again. But it's cute. Now you know how to make it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the yarn aisle.